Now, just like I have explained that, how do we know this is an alkane? From the previous video, I said that if you are to check out, they have single bond, first of all, so therefore this makes them an alkane. And also, you are having 5 carbon atom here. Are you with me? And counting 5 carbon atom, that gives us pent. And so far it is pent and it is an alkane, it ends with ANE, so that will be pentane automatically. Now, like I told you guys, that the first rule under nomenclature of alkane is that you are to look for the longest, now not just ordinary longest carbon chain, the longest unbranched carbon chain. Now, that is the first step. And if I'm to look, and also again, that longest unbranched carbon chain will be the parent chain, that is the base. Are you with me? Then the remaining one, just like the nonsense that are left, they are called substituents. And mainly substituents is always gotten from an alkyl group. Are you with me? Now, looking at this now, if I'm to count, because the first law says the longest carbon chain, the first law, counting from here now to find the longest carbon chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also 5. And this state tells us that if I'm to count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is also 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are left with 3 decisions to make. The first one is that these things are 5. Where do I start the counting from? Number 1, the counting will start from here, not here. I will tell you why. Secondly is that I will start it from here and not here. That's second reason that I'm going to tell you. Now let me explain the second reason. The second reason is from the first law, which states that what? It is better you go unbranched than you branching. So if they are the same value, you look for the one that is going unbranched. But if this is shorter, not that you can't go branched, you can't branch, you can branch. But so far this one that goes straight and this one that branches are the same values when you count them. That means that you're going for the unbranched one. Are you get what I'm saying? So why am I counting from here? When I know that this one coming here is 5, this one also going here is 5. The second rule now is that you are to look for the value, the carbon that is closer to the substituent when counting. Now I'm to count from here 1, 2, 3, 4. This substituent, this idiot here, this substituent here will be on the 4th carbon. And if I'm to count from here 1, 2, it will be on the second one, which is that the smaller one, the closer one is from here. So I start my counting from here 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Are you with me? So now the fifth one now is that how do you first of all name it? Now please, if I want to name it, like I said, the base is very, very important, which is the parent chain. Now the parent chain, since it's 5, it is going to be what, guys? Pentane. Abi? So that is pentane. And the side chain now, which is the substituent, is going to be what? Now the side chain is the one left on count. And where it falls in, I've explained the second rule to you guys now, that the one closer to the substituent is the one you are going to name. We also have different complex them. Are you with me? But step by step you will understand. Now, where the values of the carbon lies on is what you used to call the name of that substituent. Where is this one? Where does this one live? Number 2, methyl street. So this is 2 methyl. You put it there, 2. And also they are being denoted with an hyphen. So 2 methyl is the side chain. Are you get what I'm saying? Then if you now want to call it, you join them together. You put this one first, the sub comes first, then the base at the back. Are you get what I'm saying? So you have our answer to be 2 methyl. You have 2 methyl. Then what was the last one, the base there? Pentane. So this will be called 2 methyl pentane. First of all, longest unbranched carbon chain. Second of all, you look for the one closer to the what? To the values of the carbon. And the third is that what? You name the substituent first, then you add the base to the back. This one is for the first. Let me just put it, the third simple rule to name the normal basic one. Are we clear? So let's move on, guys, to some other complex one.